everyone! Today we have the Crying Again plush badge. This is fresh from the store. There's only 2 boxes and this was on display. So basically there's... Oh wait, where'd it go? Over there. Oh, there it is here. Okay, so there is a secret edition ratio which is in 1 in every 144 blind boxes, and there's a super secret edition ratio which is 1 in 288 blind boxes. Let's open it up now. POPMART. Whoa, I need it. I saw it. Okay. And we got Love is Still Love. Love is Still Love. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. I like that.
I think it's got a teardrop as well on the cloud.
Oh yeah, it does.
Nice.
Yep. Oh, it has stickers too. So cool. Okay, can I put it on my phone? This one. Wait, before I open it, what do I think it is? I think it's Starboy. Maybe. Oh no, it's not. Okay. It is. I don't even know. I'll give you all my love. That is very cute. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, I saw it again. And we got the baby brown.
No, baby blonde.
Oh, baby blonde. Wait, which way? Okay, so which way does it? I'll go here. No, that's the sticker. And might be baby brown or a rubber. No, it's not. I keep getting it wrong. It's heartless girl. Oh, that's sad. You're heartless. So, I'm going to choose this one. Love makes us cry. I wanted that one.
You should have teardrop.
It doesn't have that much red like the other one we got, I think. So, I got one here. Hopefully I get one right. East one. Okay, guessing time. I think it's like round. The rubber or baby gone again. It's the rubber. I got one right. Okay. Oh, it's very cutesy. Okay, I will choose this one over here. And we have Starboy. Heartless Girl and Starboy have a similar design. Next, I'll choose my last one. Oh, I saw it. I think I saw it. I think it's the I'll bring you a flower. Or maybe drop cute. It's no.
Baby brown.
Oh, baby brown.
Haven't we had baby brown?
No, it's baby blonde.
Okay.
Yay. That's my last one and I still got it wrong. Wait, really? I will choose this one. Just this. And this the wait, what was it again?
I forgot.
I'll bring you flour.
I'll bring you a flower here. So weird, just a chomp.
She's Alice.
Yeah.
I already saw. It's not you.
So cute. That's one of the cutest ones, in my opinion.
What the frog?
It's like they're trying to swear, but they're not swearing. What a frog. Hi everyone! Today we have the Crying Again plush badge.